Hey, how you doing? Realty Coach Sean Childs. I just got another phone call today. It's Sunday afternoon, and the person said, "Hey, Coach, I had like 7 people come through the property. When do I follow up with them? How do I follow up with them? They're not, sound like I'm too anxious." I said, one of the things is, first of all, if they're coming to the house and they're interested, they're going to probably actually follow up with you. But as the seller, what I would suggest is waiting at least till Monday, and then going through all the people and figuring out the 1, 2, or 3 people that you are most interested in. And then pick up the phone and call them and say, "Hey, I just want to let you know, we do have some interest. We're probably going to be accepting offers between now and Tuesday. Wondering if you and your family are thinking about making an offer on my house. We really liked you and we really appreciate you. And I was just wondering, are you interested or not, so that we can move forward with our process." And by the way, if you see that you're going to get more offers than you expected, or if you're going to get multiple offers, you might want to say, "Hey, I'm going to wait till Wednesday," and give some people some time. Realty Coach, if you want to find out actually how to sell your house, whether you're trying to do it by yourself as a for sale by owner, or you actually want to do it with somebody and get some help from a coach, we'll actually help. We have a seller assistant marketing program where we actually help coach you through it. It doesn't cost you a dime. And then also we'll show you actually how to hire the best of the best in your local area. We'll give you the scripts and the dialogues and how to go find the perfect person in your neighborhood. If you want to find out more, grab the app below, or it's up in the corner here somewhere. Grab it in the bio is actually a link to the Realty Coach app. It's free. It doesn't cost you a dime. You can download it, and there's plenty of information just like today. Hey, Realty Coach Sean Childs. Look forward to seeing you on the other side. Happy Sunday.